You have $86,400 to spend every single day. But when the day is over, the money disappears. You can't get back when you try to spend all of the money before they disappear. When you try to use it wisely, use it as best you could. The sad part is you only had 86,400 seconds a day, and most people take this time for bread. We must be productive. We must use our time to do things. You enjoy it or you just set up. Alright, so it's been about this. Doing more things instead of wasting your time on me.